Are you ready to roll up your sleeves and start turning dreams into reality? Willow Gates Landscaping is on the lookout for passionate individuals like you to join our hardscaping team. Imagine a career where every day is an opportunity to create something extraordinary. At Willow Gates, we're not just building landscapes, we're crafting stories, memories, and transforming spaces into works of art. We take pride in our attention to detail. Your work with us won't just be about bricks and stones, it's about precision, artistry, and the satisfaction that comes from turning a client's vision into a reality. Working with Willow Gates isn't just a job, it's a chance to be a part of a community of dedicated individuals who share a passion for excellence. Are you ready to turn that passion into a career that's both challenging and rewarding? Take the first step today. Call Willow Gates Landscaping at 717-341-0540 or apply online at willowgateslandscaping.com.